Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic rear wiper blades, only ways. Start by opening the hatch and positioning the arm so you can reach the connector. Remove the old blade by locating and pressing the small release tab while supporting the arm. Inspect the arm for corrosion and clean with a microfiber cloth. Slide the new blade on until it clicks, then lower the arm carefully and test the wipe for full contact. Begin by supporting the wiper arm firmly to prevent it from snapping against the glass. Locate the release tab where the blade meets the arm. Press it while holding the blade steady. Wiggle the blade gently and slide it off the arm in a straight line to avoid bending the arm. If it sticks, apply a little penetrating lubricant and try again while keeping control of the arm to protect the hatch glass. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after working on the hatch. It's a small comfort for a job well done. Check the description for the link and other deals, then pop back in. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new rear blade so the connector lines up with the arm hook and slide it into place until it audibly clicks. Confirm the blade sits flush and is not rotated or pinched, then gently lower the arm onto the hatch glass. Activate the rear wiper for a quick test to ensure smooth, complete contact and no streaking. Recheck the connection after a short drive and tighten or reseat as needed for long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.